Today we're putting the Numel 6013 rutile electrode to the test as we complete a 3-run fillet weld. These general purpose rods are known for their smooth arc and easy slag removal, so let's see how they perform in the real world. So as you can see here, the rod is 450mm long, which is 100mm longer than our standard 350s which we normally use. Some people find these a lot harder to control due to the length, but let's see how we get on. As you can see, we're running a drag angle of 15 degrees at 125 amps on DC positive. We're keeping a close eye on the slag, ensuring it stays behind the weld pool. So first impressions of this Numel rod is there's a bit more spatter compared to other rutiles that we've used, but overall they're performing fairly well. The arc's stable and the weld pool is easy to control. So as you can see, got a lot of spatter, but that weld's lovely and flat. So moving on to our second run, we're lifting the rod angle up slightly. The aim of this run is to cover 2/3 of the first run, but ensure that the run is still fusing into that bottom plate. As long as our rod angle stays the same throughout, we'll give ourselves a nice straight run which will be fused in. Since fillet welds are defined by their leg lengths, it's important that the second run doesn't extend too far onto the bottom plate. If it does, we risk creating unequal leg lengths between the top and bottom plates. If that's the case, we may not have enough space to place a final run that achieves the necessary height on the top plate to balance the weld. This imbalance can lead to issues later on, so maintaining proper weld balance also ensures we achieve the required throat thickness and leg length, which is critical for the joint strength. So now on to our third and final run. This is where things get a little bit more precise. We're adjusting our rod angle slightly downwards, shifting our focus towards that top plate. The aim is to smoothly tie in the upper half of that previous run while ensuring strong fusion into the top plate. As we're having these wonderful spattering issues, we've ground the top of our second run to remove any spatter and ensure that we've got a nice clean surface before proceeding with our final run. So on this run we're keeping a constant travel speed throughout, but for this third run we've slowed it down slightly compared to the second pass. This is a more controlled pace which helps us increase the run size, which as you can see has resulted in a lovely clean weld profile. On screen now we have a full playlist of videos coming up, so go ahead and give that a click and keep learning with us. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more welding tips and tutorials.